Hello YouTube, how you doing tonight? This is Edelbrock's top end performance kit number 2099. I can't tell you anything about how it works or anything like that. If you want to see it bolted onto a motor, follow the C10 build. But this is just strictly an unboxing of their kit as it came to me. All right, we have a timing cover gasket, and we have a set of gaskets. Gasket, cylinder head gasket set, small block Chevy. We have a camshaft with some directions. And some lube. Wow. We have Chevy head bolt kit. We have a crush box. Push rods. This side up. Well, that means it's been on its side the entire time. Oh, roller hydraulics. I like it. Timing chain, sprockets, intake manifold bolts, one cylinder head. Well, we got to open that up. More directions. Looks like galley plugs. There we go. Nice. Another cylinder head. And an intake. Let's see which intake it is. And it's just an air gap intake, nothing special. There you go. So that's what the Edelbrock 2099 435 horsepower small block Chevy top end performance kit has in it. $20.99. Thank you very much.